Hi there, I'm Blade and you're watching Blade's World now. Today I want to show you how I made the world's first thermoacoustic boat. The boat works like a pulse jet engine with external heat source. If you followed my works in the past few years, then you know I built several interesting test rigs.
The movement of the gas here is that similar as the water moves back and forth in a classical steam-driven put-put or pop-up boat.
The gas moves back and forth in the resonator tube and creates a jet impulse on the open end. That drives the boat with high-frequency pushes. Are you new here? Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for updates. If you want more exclusive information, pictures, videos about my projects, join my background community under this video or be my patron on my Patreon site. The link in the description below. I wanted to show you the engine's first run where I tested how strong the thrust. My friend Tipshin given me a 3D printed turbine few weeks ago, so I built up a small wooden stick stand and I used a toothpick as shaft. I hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button and leave me a comment below. Share the link with your friends on your social media platforms. If you want to see more interesting experiments, tutorials, just check my other videos. See you soon. Blade.